Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace a camera glass on your iPhone 8, as you can see right here. So it's really easy. As you can see right here, it's pretty cracked, so we'll be working on it. It's really easy. You can use a heat gun, or you don't have to use it, and then you can just buy new glass. It's really cheap. It's like a couple of bucks. There's on eBay, Amazon, everywhere. They're all over. So you'll need a razor. Once you'll get a razor, you can either heat it up just really light, or you can do it without it. So just go around the corner and remove the rest of the glass. So I just go all the way around, and as you can see, glass coming out pretty easily without even heating up anything. Try to keep away glass from your camera because it could damage it really easily. It's coming out really easily. And then clean all the way around that. Just clean the stuff around it, and then install your new glass in there. Make sure you double check, make sure the camera works good, doesn't have any dark spots before you're gonna install it. Yeah, it looks pretty clear. So now you can install your new glass in there. Don't like these little bags, it's really hard to open them. So it looks like it's got some adhesive. Come on, come out. Let's get some adhesive, as you can see right here. You gotta remove it and install on that one. It doesn't come off that easily. And install here. There you go. Okay, once you install this adhesive, now you can install a piece of glass in there. Okay, now you can install a piece of glass. Super easy. Really easy. As you can see now, it looks like new. Piece of glass. You have it right there. It's really easy. Just take your time. Don't damage your camera, because it's really easy to damage camera. Try to remove as much as glass. Like, clean the glass. Every piece you break it, try to clean it out before it's gonna go inside of the camera, because it shakes and the camera moves a little bit. So if anything is inside, that's gonna be causing the problems later on. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thumbs up, and bye bye.